As I mentioned before, if you want to find something or replace, make sure you're on the Home tab. You could choose Find, or you could click on the Find Advanced, or I could click on Replace, doesn't matter. Even if I press Ctrl or Command F, my navigation panel will open. We have 3 tabs here. Headings. For the headings, as an example, I don't have. Let's add something, title, and set the title 1, and even let's say subtitle. Alright, now we have the headings here. I could collapse it or search anything. Also on the pages you could find, and the searching result. Let's say I'm looking for then, I could click and wait a moment or click on the magnifier to find them. It will be automatically highlighted. And I could click on this arrow and go to the advanced find, or here advanced find here, and our dialog box will open. By default it is collapsed, something like this, which it is very simple, and you could highlight them or clear them and find it your current documents open, and same thing for the replace. But if you're looking something more specific, I could expand it by clicking on the more and on the search options, search on all, from the current cursor up or down, and we have other features such as match case. As you know, if you enable match case, then as an example Apple, it is different with Apple, and even it is different with Apple. So the case, as it's uppercase or lowercase, and find whole words only. If I something like en, allow me to disable match case, that's gonna find everything include en, like document, like complement, etc. But if I enable find whole words only, it's only looking for en, which there is no words such as en on this document. We could enable use wildcard, which I will mention in future videos in this chapter, but we have something named sound like. What does sound like? You know, the C and C sounds like similar together, or even dear and dear, right? So if I go to find advanced and type something like C and start enabling the sounds like in English, of course only English, and find, this is the exact, but find next. As you see, the characters are different, but because the sounds like together, so that's gonna search for you. Also, we have find all words forms, the forms of same word, like let's say meet, met. You know, this is the past of meet. So if again I go to the advanced find and search something like met, and if I regularly search, only this one gonna search. But if I enable find all words form and then find, as you see, meet and math, they are all the same form as one word. So in some cases that's gonna help you too much. And we have match prefix and match suffix. As you see, by enabling some options like find all words form, some other features are gonna disabled because they cannot combine together. But you could combine something like, as an example, match case with match prefix. So keep in your mind. And the prefix and suffix, it is before and after something starts. Let's say I'm looking for everything with finishing ing. It is possible to ing be between the other characters, middle of the word, or even beginning, but I'm looking something at the end. So I could enable and I'm gonna type ing. Let's find matching, reading, again reading, and again. And note that this is not looking something partial of the word if it is middle as an example. If I start type something, maybe nonsense, but inger, I don't know, just as an example, or finger, look at here, we have ing in the middle. But because I enabled match suffix with ing, that's not gonna search for these. Look at here, matching, but it is not found on here. So it is have to be finished with this word, suffix, or start with something like the for themes, etc. Allow me to do as an example here for prefix matching and the, find the again, and everything only start with the, not the middle. And note that as an example, find whole words only, it is working with that, but it is actually kinda nonsense, because you could just disable that and only this one. Although it is not disabled in this my example case, but it is nonsense to mix them up. And finally here we have ignore punctuation characters and white space characters, which I will mention on the next video, and then start finding based on the format and then going to special.